If you want to get iPhone ringtone on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store. There we go. Now in here we can use search. You can simply type iPhone ringtone, because we need to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. In my case, I'm gonna use this one over here, but feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you. So let's open the app. Over here we're gonna tap on consent. Of course we might see ads in the meantime. There we go. So we need to wait for them to close them. There we go. Alright, we need to grant access for the app so that the app can actually change the ringtone. So let's allow modifying system settings. There we go. And of course over here now we have all different ringtones, iPhone ringtones that we can use on our phone. Once you find the ringtone that you wish to set, we can tap on these three dots on the right side. Then we can tap on the ringtone over here. We have another ad over here. So let's wait. All right. And if it's set successfully, then of course we can press OK. And now we just need to make sure that the ringtone was actually set up properly, because sometimes this might not be the case. So we're gonna go to settings, open sound and vibration, and in here it seems that the ringtone actually didn't change. So if you go to ringtone, you want to choose local ringtone over here, allow the access if needed. Let's go to audio files, and you should be able to find the ringtone from the app. It should be actually downloaded on your phone, and you can press apply in order to use it on your phone. And now if I try to change the ringtone volume, as you can hear, we actually do have the iPhone ringtone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.